Hey everybody, it's Amber with She Hair Extensions. Welcome back to hear about our monthly promotion. Stackers, what are they? This month's promotion, you get 100 pieces or more of She Hair Extensions, you're gonna get a stacker with 10 pieces of consultation hair. Totally usable She Hair Extensions, but what I love about this, keep it on your station. You install one strand in your client's head during a consultation and you sell that client, I'm going to give you back 5 pieces of she hair for that one piece you used. Why, you might ask? What I've noticed throughout the country, my stylists who are installing one piece of she hair extensions in their client's head during a consultation, their closing rates go up substantially. Are you ready to see if your rates go up? Give me a call. Thanks. Excited about this month's promotion? Make sure you call your distributor to find out if they're participating. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks.